Hi, welcome to INEO. Today, we're talking about our main cooking area inside of our showroom. Now, as you can see, the showroom is actually designed like a central island for a hotel. Over in the middle, we have all the cooking equipments, and on top, we have a ventilating system, exhaust system, to get rid of all the smoke that is generated from the cooking. We have three types of cooking equipments. We have our standard models over here and here, and we have our compact size cooking equipments over here for show kitchens. And over in the back, we have our luxury models for 5-star hotels and resorts. The design for the main cooking area is very unique because we have to make sure there's enough passage space for our chef to walk through during cooking stage. And we need to make sure that during cooking, the space will be wide enough so that when people are passing by, they don't bump into the chef, causing them to have injuries during cooking. Another thing that we carefully examine for our design is our hood over here. Our exhaust hood makes sure that whatever smoke that is generated from the cooking will be sucked into our exhaust system within just 1.5 to 2 seconds. Now, in our showroom, we have demonstrated two main types of cookings. One is Asian cuisine, and the other one is Western cuisine. To start with, let's start with Asian cuisine. This is a Chinese wok. It is very high flame, equipped with a water faucet over here, where you can have water over here. We also are equipped with the equipments as well, for example, the wok and all the equipments that goes with the Chinese cuisine as well. Over here, we have a rice cooking cabinet. Inside here, we can put rice in the trays and then to steam them together. So whenever you have a big portion of rice that you need to make, this is the ideal equipment for you. We can also just take out the tray of ice and use accordingly and leave the rest inside of the cabinet to keep warm. Over here, we have seafood steaming cabinets as well. For example, if you need to steam certain kinds of seafoods, this is a perfect space for you. For noodles, especially Japanese style ramen, we can use a ramen cooker for this one. However, if you have certain requirements to cook Italian style pasta, we recommend using the square one. Before we start introducing all the equipment inside of our main cooking area, we need to confirm that whatever you use, either electric or gas, it is the most suitable for you in your country. After confirming that information, INEO teams will be able to select the according equipment for you in a more efficient way. Let's go through all the equipment and see what are they used for. Let's start with our fryers. Over here, we have our fryers. You can either choose gas or electric. The temperature can be adjusted accordingly. Over here as well, we can even separate it from the middle in case if you want a smaller size fryer as well. You will see more options on our catalog. Next, we're moving on to our griddles. For our griddles, we'll make sure that all the surface is very balanced and the heating inside will have an even heating temperature. We will also use lava stones to cover all the base of our griddle as well to make sure that the heat is spread out more even. The griddle is perfect for grilling either chicken or steak. It is especially good to mark these chicken or steaks so they have a unique pattern. We have over here our flat grills as well in case if you want to make some breakfast like eggs or toast or burger buns, you want to heat it up over here. We can also do that. And under here, we have these stripes so we can grill or sear the chicken with a certain types of pattern as well. It's perfect for that as well. We can also adjust the temperature on the bottom, the electric ignition, and we have some additional storage space underneath. This is our standard size 4 burners. For our burners, we can equip with different types of burner heads. If you need a more stronger flame, we recommend the American style, which is have a fire that is more stronger. If you would like, we also can equip with a European style as well. As you can see over here, they are more precise However, the flame power will be a little bit more weaker. We also have our unique design over here to equipped with a water sink right next to the griddle in case if some water is needed. Of course, all the lineup for this set of equipment we can substitute. For example, if you would not like our design for the water sink, we can simply remove it. If you would like these two equipments to switch sides with each other, we can help to accomplish that as well for you. What separates INEO from other brands is our durability and our maintenance. For example, all of our spare parts that we use, we make sure that is the best spare parts. We either import it from other country, we find the best spare parts for these equipments to make sure that they last for a longer period of time. For example, for our burners, we use a very famous brand, SID, for our thermocopper, as you can see over here. Our equipment is also very easy to do maintenance because the designer for our equipment used to be a maintenance team. When he was in the maintenance team, he encounters a lot of scenarios which is very hard for him to do maintenance with these equipments. So when he designed this set of equipment, he makes sure that the maintenance process is very clean, very simple, and direct to the point. Another thing that separates us from another company is our inspection process. At INEO, we carefully inspect all our products to make sure there's no dent on the surfaces, there's no scratch for our stainless steels, and all the functioning tests pass through with our standards, including our fryers, our griddles, and our burners. This is a tilting stir-fry machine or tilting stir-fry pan. It is commonly used inside of a banquet or a big meals for resorts and hotels. Now, how to use this equipment? You will put all the ingredients you need to stir fry inside of this pan over here. After stir frying and cooking all this food, you need a way to get the food out. Now we can use the spinning wheel over here to simply turn and wheel up and tilt the pan into an angle where you can directly get the food out. There's also a hole over here for the sauces. This way, not only you can cook all the food in bulk, but you can do the serving as well. If we're cooking a large pile of stock or soup, this pan is perfect for you. It is designed to cook a large amount of soup inside of a big kitchen. Over here, we can cook all the broth or soup, and afterwards, we can drain over here, like this one up here, and we can simply drain the water out through here. That concludes most of the equipment inside of INEO's cooking equipment area. Of course, we have more equipment that was not disclosed. There will be more equipment in our catalog as well, for either main cooking equipment or for central kitchen as well. Please let us know if you have any other needs to know more equipment. Thank you very much.